To combine like terms, you can only add or subtract terms with the same variables. In this example, we see that there are terms with x and terms with y. First, I will rearrange the terms so that the like terms are next to each other. I can do this by using the commutative property of addition. Now, to combine the x terms, I need to subtract 3/4 minus 1/2. To do this, I need to write both fractions with the LCD, which is 4, as the denominator. 3/4 already has 4 as a denominator. To write 1/2 with 4 as the denominator, I need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 to get 2/4. Now we can subtract 3/4 minus 2/4 to get 1/4. So 3/4 x minus 1/2 x is equal to 1/4 x. Now to combine the y terms, I need to add -4/7 and 5/7. These have the same denominator, so I can just add these fractions to get 1/7. So -4/7 y plus 5/7 y is equal to a positive 1/7 y. So our final answer is 1/4 x plus 1/7 y. In this next example, we are asked to simplify the expression by combining like terms. To do this, we will first need to distribute the fractions to get rid of the parentheses. If we do this, our problem looks like this. Since we are multiplying fractions with whole numbers, I will write the whole numbers as improper fractions like so. Now I can simplify these before I multiply. We see that in the first term, the 5's cancel. In the second term, the 5 and the 15 cancels, so 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. In the third term, we see that the 2 and the 4 cancels, so 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. And in the last term, the 2's cancel. Now we can multiply these, and we end up with 4x minus 12 plus 2x plus 1. I will now rearrange these terms so that the like terms are next to each other using the commutative property. So we have 4x plus 2x minus 12 plus 1. Combining the x terms, we have 4x plus 2x, which is 6x. And combining the number terms, -12 plus 1 is equal to -11. So our final answer is 6x minus 11.